working fine?
Yes.
Okay. Can anybody share their screen so that we will start with the tool? We'll start with floor plan. Yes, sir.
Hello,
Yes, sir.
ma'am, you are able to access the tool?
Yes, sir.
No,
I'm
I think
able to access
Subhash
the
is.
tool,
I'm getting
but
a
my
message.
connection keeps
Yeah.
getting cut if I use the tool and also share the screen and explain. That's why I'm asking someone else to share so that I
Give
can
me 1
explain
second.
in their thing.
The tool is not working in me.
Yeah, today this issue will be also fixed. Don't worry. Today this issue will also be fixed. That error issue from that one.
Okay.
Can I share my screen, Christina?
Yeah, sure. Please share.
So last week, have you covered any tool? Actually, I was not there in the
No,
last
I
week.
didn't.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. You were not there in last week class?
Yeah, correct. Yeah.
Okay. No, we just covered floor plan topics only.
Okay.
Sorry, power plan.
All right. Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Hi, Lakshmi. Yeah.
Yes.
Please,
Subhash.
please use the tool from that RDP manager. Don't directly log in that one. It is very difficult to track again after that one.
Okay. Sure.
Don't do that one. That wrong way to do. Actually, what will happen if you are using, and if someone logging into your user ID by mistake, and you will for sure lose your work.
Okay.
That is why it has been made. Okay. Don't use it like this, but that is only for your benefits only.
Yes.
Yeah, use that RDP manager. It is
Yeah.
up now.
Yeah. Sure.
Up now.
Lakshmi. It is getting bad request.
Share the screen. I will guide you. The new app I guess I have sent in the group.
This is the one, right?
The new one. New one you have downloaded, right?
It is 1 minute. Huh? New
Close
one.
it.
Let me download.
Close it. New one I guess I have sent. Give me 1 second. 1 second.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
can share
that
the screen. Yeah.
that I guess that one.
This is the one, right?
Yeah, it is working for me. Maybe we can start. Can you guys see my screen?
It is a suspicious. It is getting.
No, that will not an issue. You just close the RDP manager for now. This one, close it. Who is sharing the screen? Yeah, Deepu. Okay. Yeah, Deepu, you can also share the screen and show to Janet. Give the commands. What commands I have given you? First do cd space slash. I'm telling the command. Slash. Enter. cd space home. Tab. CAD tools. CAD tools. CAD. Yeah. Enter. Now CSH. Enter. Now source.chrc. Source after space, then .chrc. Which RC? Yeah, enter. That's fine now. Now do one thing. Now do again cd slash slash enter. Then type here cd home and BIC user 3. You're using BIC user 3, right?
Yeah.
BIC user 3. You put that one. Yeah. And go inside that one. You will find Innova's rack and sort of things available. Oh, okay. Do cd dot slash. Come out. I guess you are in CAD tools, right?
Yeah.
Do PWD once. Again, go back. Or direct type cd slash. Direct cd slash. Now type here cd class PD. You should not go in that one. You should go to the class PD. That is only the thing. Yeah. In this one, what is your directory? Deepu 2024. That is fine. Inside this one, run the Innovas.
How do I run Subhashis?
INNOVUS. Yes, space. Yeah, that's fine. It will give some time. It will load. It's loading. Wait, it is loading once. Yeah, now go to the terminal. I guess terminal not required. Terminal required. Now go to files. Left side files, Deepu. Hello. Hello, Deepu.
Yeah. Sorry. I was on mute. Yeah. File.
File import design. Yeah. Now click Verilog right side 3 dots.
So
File on
Click
others
that
also
one.
make a note of the files to be loaded.
Yeah.
Say,
Then
right
that
outside
arrow.
input.
Then that arrow. Now use that green dot, that box right side top. Now go back. Go back. You are using user 3, right? So
Yeah.
go back. Yeah, double that one. Double click. Home. Home. Yeah, user 3. Which user you are using? You can see it in the top. User 3. Now you can go to wait. Floor planning 221 for now. Rack. That one. Go to data. Data. Yeah. ASIC entity dot v. Yeah, this one. Add left side add. Yeah, that's fine. Now close it.
Was it? Okay.
Yeah, now by user type there ASIC underscore entity. Yes. IC underscore entity. Now below go to left files. Tick that one, 3 dots. Again that one. Again go to that BIC user 3. Home, user 3, Innovus rack, floor planning 221. Yeah, there. Now go to libs. Left, leaving the top one, copy, select all below from second onwards. 1 second, Deepu. Actually, someone is waiting in the. Okay, no one is waiting in the lobby. Yeah, that the whole thing only except the first one. Yeah, and add it left side. Yeah, now again right side go the top green one. Again that one. Yeah, go to data. Scroll side. You see two more file, Leon partition, peripheral one partition. Those two again add them. Close it. Yeah, type there VDD VSS, the power net and ground nets. Capital VDD VSS. Yeah, in this one, MMC file currently has the issue, so you can. I think it will not work. Just you can press OK now. Press OK. Press OK. Yeah, press OK. Yeah, it is loaded now. I guess. I think Janet, you can take care from now.
Yes, sir. I can.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Can you maximize this Innovus DB? Okay. I will start explaining the GUI first. So press F on your screen. So F is for fit to screen. All right, your block will come to the center of the screen. Now
We'll send one
you
Innovus commands list to you guys. It will helpful for you. Shortcut commands.
yeah, Innovus
I think it
tool
will be
comes.
better, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
So you
Continue.
can see many options on the top, left, and the right. Right. So if you come to the right, in the bottom part, you have something called as layers. So this will show you what are the metal layers present and what are the vias present. Okay. So now there is metal 1, via 1, metal 2, via 2. Likewise, for between every two metal layers, we have one via connection, right? So we will have via in between each of two metals. And you will see the color coordinates, or the color like a footnote. You will have the colors for each of the metal layer. So here you can see how many metal layers are there in your design. So for this design, you are having only 9 metal layers. So can you scroll down that bar on the right? Yeah, so there are 9 metal layers in this design. A ninth metal layer will be the top metal layer, and M1 metal 1 will be the lowest metal layer. Now, if you go up, you can see something called as V and S. So V is for visibility, so a little more above on the top.
Ma'am, you can take control. I guess you can request control to Deepu.
Oh, okay, okay.
Try once.
Yeah.
Give control to PDM. PD guest, right?
No, ma'am
because
is asking.
Yeah, I've
I'm
given.
telling ma'am to request
Yes.
control.
No, I have
That she
given
will able.
permission to her. Yeah, I've given permission to her. She can take.
I think that would be better.
Yeah.
Huh. Okay, so here you can see V and S. V stands for visibility and S for selection. So you can enable it or disable it whenever you want. Then you can see instance here, right? So instance means all the elements that are going to be present in your block will come under the category instance. So your standard cells, spare cells, everything will come under instances. Physical cells, you can see everything. IO ports, all of that you can see here. Next, if we click on module, now module is when we, for example, if we are having some 16 macros in our design, 4 macros will belong to one module. So module means it which module like in the functionality side, module, module means how many macros are there in one module and what functionality it is going to do. So it is like those 4 macros belong to one module. This set of macros belong to some other module. So it is just like a segregation for the set of macros. Now, inside that module section, you are having something called as module, guide, fence, float, region, and partition. Now, these are called as module guides, as in guides to place the macros. Now, if we are selecting guide, it basically shows some imaginary lines on the where you can place the macros within those lines. And if you come to fence, also like drawing a boundary for the macros to be placed inside that area, and it will not allow any other macros to be placed inside that fence area. So fence is like very restrictive. It is like you're drawing some boundary for the macros to be placed inside the code. Guide is also similar to fence, but it is not that restrictive. It can allow other macros also inside the guide, and it can allow the macros inside the guide also to go outside of that boundary region. So these options are all about guiding the guidelines to place the macros inside the code area. Next is in this you can see the pin shapes, cell blockages. If you're creating any cell blockages,
Krishna, your voice is bit breaking.
You can see breaking. Oh,
yeah.
Why issues? 1 second. Is it okay now?
Yes, it's fine now.
Okay, I will try to change my connection or my plan. I think only then it will work. So I'll make some from next class. I'll try to.
Again, your voice bit dragging.
Okay. So can you? Okay, I will stop the. I think Deepu can. I will guide you.
Yeah,
You can.
Deepak, if he can navigate, that is
good.
better, I guess. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Sure.
It's simple. I can just tell him where to go. So
Yeah.
it's not an issue that it's not like okay, I have to use it. So now please go in the top. You can view, edit, partition, floor plan, power, place in the top part. So each of all the options belonging to each step of physical design will be present in this one. So click on floor plan. So here you can see all the options with respect to floor plan. Specify floor plan structure, data path, automatic floor plan. Automatic floor plan means the tool itself is placing the macros in the core area. So the tool floor plan and resize floor plan, relative floor plan, there are multiple options like this. So once we start placing the macros, we can try all of these options. And then you have for power plan placement, ECO fixing, clock path. For clock tree synthesis, routing, you have timing, we have verifies. Click on verify. All will be present here. DRC checks, antenna checks. You can do all of those checks here. Like you have commands also. Now in the GUI also you can do all of this. Now Last time we saw macros. All the input files loaded?
Yeah, I think whatever he asked for, I loaded. We can just check. I think if this is good enough.
Yeah.
So we added ASIC.v, ASIC entity.v
Mm.
on the very
I
last.
think 2.v's he loaded last time. I remember like that because we were able to see module guides also and the macros as well outside the code area. I hope you guys can remember.
We can do that. I think home, right? Home, Bix user, Innovus rack, flow planning, rack data. Which one was that? Only two of
There were
them.
2.v's.
Sorry?
One is included. Can you include the other one as well?
Huh? Sorry?
I think you have selected only
In
one
this
file,
one,
Deepu.
Yeah. I selected only ASIC entity.
Yeah, I think you need to select both, I guess.
Okay. Design with instruction after design. I think I got error message. Cannot load design with initial design. After design is already in memory. So I need to close the layout and then start
You have
again.
to close the layout. Yeah, maybe you have to close it and start it again.
How do I close? Exit, huh?
Exit. You have to load Innovus again.
Do you want to really quit?
Okay. Before, fine. You can load it again. Big user. Both the dot V's. Left file.
May I know where CSHRC file located?
We have to check.
Okay.
Now here in GUI, we are doing all of this. If we are going to use commands, we will use source. Source is the command to load any respective file into our design. So source and then the path name we have to include in the command file. You're not including that top left GSE lib.
Yeah, I think he told not to add.
Okay,
Add.
fine. Then okay.
Okay.
I have shared the Innovus user guide in the group. So this is a complete Innovus tool user guide. You can use that. So in that, everything will be there. How we have to do the entire steps of physical design and what tool options we have to do. You can use that. It will be very much helpful for your lab.
think after pressing OK also it's not going actually. Is there anything that I'm missing?
I think you have to give load, I guess. No.
Load is going to a new window.
Oh, okay. Then save and okay.
It's not taking.
Have you?
It's not taking because I loaded 2 of them here. So should I dot v ASIC entity? That's all right. ASIC entity, right?
Yeah.
Entity. Shall I do it again?
Give okay. See if it is.
Loading design done. Turn it. No, I didn't load. Maybe let me try again.
Okay. Close it. And then. So did he ask to mention something like this by user or?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, then okay. Big user. EDD users. MMMC file are we loading?
No, he told not to. Because he told some issue is there, he's going to fix it.
Okay. Okay. Save and okay.
I think, is it because we added 2 of them? Shall I remove
Okay,
one
you
of them?
try removing. Yeah, remove one. Remove one. It's not loading, right?
Not loading.
Is anybody else trying parallelly? If you guys can get the macros, then maybe you can share the screen. I think there's a video, right, where he has mentioned where we have to input all the files.
So IO assignment, don't we need to do anything, Krishna here?
I think he has included that in the left section, right? So my IO left something he has included.
IO assignment file, right?
Are we in home? So IO left. Can you see left. I think in the floor plan section. For the not this flow assignment file. Go to that block implementation rack, big user, and then on
Christina,
yeah.
I have question about this importing. Once you have been once you have done it once and you
Hello.
quit, you log off, you need to do
Yeah.
it again.
Marvin, just 1 second. So, sir,
Okay.
we are not able to view the macros of the core.
Okay,
Can you?
just add
So
them.
he's adding all the files again. So, are we adding
VDD
any
VSS,
file for floor plan?
VDD VSS. Now, okay. Now do one thing, right side go, right side, top. See, there is a 3D goggles image. There is then a right side top. From that one, no. 1, 2, 3. The fourth one. Fourth one. Left side, fourth one. That no. Take the mouse there. Yeah, that one. The first one on the left. First one from the left. The first one. Yeah, that one. Click that one. I think now press F. I think you can see the macros, I guess. Hello, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, sir. Yeah, I am here.
Now it is okay, the macros?
Yes, fine. Now, if you go to the top, in the top part, can you see one hierarchy kind of icon? Come down to the second row slowly. The row above that. Keep coming to the right side. Yeah, that one.
Krishna, have you selected the IO file? No, right?
No.
Yeah.
To the left. Not this one. So this is the schematic view of the netlist. You can close it.
It actually, I think, just came from Genus, right?
Yeah. So since we've loaded the netlist, we are able to see. Yeah. So this is the important one. Design browser. Can you see? So this is the very first step in floor plan. When you click on that, the hierarchy of all the macros and the standard cells present in our netlist will be visible. So here, click on modules. So there are two modules. One is core instance module and the another one is ring instance module for the IOs, for the pad rings. So in this there are 29 blocks and in the first one there are 29 blocks and 17,000 something leaf cells as in standard cells. And in the second one there are around 316 standard cells. Now click on nets above that. So here all the net names you can see. So there are 662 nets in our design and all the net names. If you click on that plus, it will even more elaborate. So you can click on that. So here you can see the hierarchy of nets, how they are getting connected. Now, click on that arrow. No, below that, the word is modules, right?
Hello, ma'am, your voice breaking a lot. Hello.
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
we are not able to hear. Yeah, we're not able to hear you, Krishna.
Okay. Just a second, I will connect back again.
Yeah, sure.
Now, on the design browser, can you see that? I have added in the chat. I have taken a screenshot and added. Click on that instance. Cell. Go to cell. Now go to modules. Core instance. Modules in that core instance. So this MCO maximize that design browser. Extend it to the right. Yeah. So in this, not fully, so that we can see the layout also. Half of the screen. Can you reduce it to half? Now click on that M core. Inside modules, You can see M core, RAM 2, all of that. Click on that. Again, modules in that. Okay, so minimize that. Minimize that M core and right click on that M core. Come to highlight. So here, these are the macros available. Now, in your layout screen, outside the core area, on the right side, is we have to place the macros belonging to one particular hierarchy together, right? So that is what we are going to do now. We are going to select the macros belonging to one hierarchy and color them. So that is why we are going for that highlight option. So select on each of those module and click on highlight and give any color that you want.
You mean to say these ones are RAM 2?
Yeah, in the design browser. See, yeah. So now you have colored the macros. Click on any color, it will get highlighted. So this is to differentiate each set of macros with a different color.
Okay.
Click on that color, like when you right click, highlight, click on any color. Now here, click on any one. Close it. So come to the last set of modules, ROM, AIM, BA wrapper. Click on that. Right click, highlight. Any color you can choose. Close it. So there are two more other macros pending which are yet to be those macros and color them. In the layout also you can see the name of those macros. So can you see those blue color lines? Those are the fly lines that we were discussing. goes in. Okay, now press F to screen. Okay, now select on each of the macro and bring it inside the core area. If you click on it, it will get selected. Okay, so for moving in the top part, left extreme, come to the left extreme. Below that, above. Slowly, go slowly. Above that, a little above. Can you see a flower-like icon above that? Yeah. So this now, yeah, please hold it. Don't move it. Now see what this command will do. You can move, resize, reshape without restrictions. As in, if we need to move something, move any element, we have to click on this. Now click on this and then go to the macro. All of these blue macros, place it in one side of the core.
It's very slow actually. To listen.
It will be because um, this, I mean, it has a lot of memory, right? So it will be a little slow when we are using it like this. But at the industry side, we won't be experiencing this much of lag.
Now, can we move all macros together with the
Yeah,
same
click
height?
on everything, shift, and click on everything. You can click on shift and shift or control. Try anyone. So this is to start placing inside and start them. Place it. Was command terminal, like in your command terminal, for
Yeah, ma'am, we are not able to hear your voice. Ma'am, we are not able to hear a single word, ma'am. Lots of problem.
The tool is very slow, so there will be a lag.
The macro is outside the core. Can you see? Oh, see, there are some other macros. You can use the up, down, shift, and the arrows, up, down, left, and right arrows on the keyboard to move your blocks.
I don't know what code you have, but you should get with Govardhan later. I'm not, because now we are only doing counting there. Yeah, I'm not so much of involved in that project and all. Yeah, so, yeah, definitely. Yes.
Krishna, I'm trying to load the design, but I'm unable to load the design.
So Deepu is sharing the screen right now?
Yeah.
Deepu is sharing the screen.
So Lakshmi, Deepu, let him share. We will see what issue is facing.
Yeah.
In the meantime, you keep placing the macros.
Yes, sure.
I hope you were able to see my screen.
Yes, it's visible.
So these are the files, right? So basically, like, left files I have mentioned all. What about here, entity.v and entity.v.lab is also there, right? So we have to select both or one?
Just the entity.lab. Is it right, Deepu? Just the entity lab or both the not dot v's you've loaded?
Entity dot, only entity dot, only entity. Yeah,
V.
no lab.
Okay. So only entity dot.
Entity.v, yeah?
Entity
Yes.
dot v. Yeah, you remove the lab.
Lab we can remove. Okay.
Ah.
So I have selected all the left files.
All the labs you have selected. So shall we just check once?
Yeah, sure.
So you're not supposed to add one left alone. That GCS. So except
This one,
that you have.
This
No,
one?
no, no, there are two GCS. Only one GCS you have to include, I think. Can you click on that arrow
So let me
again?
remove
We'll
all.
just check.
Let me remove all and
Yeah.
I'll add it. Ah,
In this which one? Libs, left. Except the first one.
yeah, except the first one I have added.
Okay. Both the lefts, yeah, Leon partition and peripheral as well.
It's done.
Mm-hmm.
Then VDD VSS. Other than that,
Yeah.
have you selected anything? Nothing, right?
Nothing else.
So directly we can do the click OK, right?
Yeah.
Showing loading the design, then nothing. Nothing is coming.
It will take some time.
Just wait
Let's
for
wait.
a second.
Oh, is it okay? Okay.
Waiting to load. Yeah.
So automatically this window will get whichever it is pop up, they will close, or how it is?
It will close automatically. The design input window. It will-
Once it get loaded. Oh, okay. Okay.
Christina,
Yeah, Mervin, you were asking something.
once we have loaded this design and we close this Innobos, when we open it again, we will do the same procedure again, one by one.
Yes. Yeah. There is a command I will say that. So once you, for example, once you finish floor plan, there is a command called save design or save DB. So in the script, you can say that use that. And once I load it, there is a command called restore design. So once you do that, from wherever you saved it, from there you can open the screen from there.
Okay. Because I always do
Okay, we are seeing the
loading this.
scripts. Okay, so for now we'll start like this. Once we start working on the floor plans, we will see those plans as well, how to restore and all.
Okay, thank you.
It's not loading.
No, it will take some time, I think, Lakshmi. So for me, I think it took almost like 3 to 4 times.
Oh, is it okay? Okay.
Yeah, I think sometimes I think it is taking more time.
Oh.
So I hope others are trying as well. So please try parallelly when the class is going on. You can. If you're
Yeah,
getting any
Lakshmi, try
doubts,
to
then-
close the window and try multiple times. I think try to close the
Is it?
window.
This is fourth time I'm trying.
Yeah. For me also, it took like fourth or fifth time it was successful. Initially,
Okay.
initially it came up for the first time,
Okay.
but for the second time it took almost like fourth or fifth time.
Okay.
Okay. So do you have any like slot system where or like everybody can access tool at all the time? Is it any slots you have
Nothing as
not
such.
exactly? Everybody can access tool. So good. It's done to keep all the macros in the core area. Now we have to enable fly lens. So this is the first, bringing all the macros inside the core area. All right. Second is to enable the fly lens and check for the connections that it has with the IO ports and along with macros, with the other macros in the design, and we have to place them accordingly. So, can you right click on any one macro? So here you will have an option to enable the fly lens. Fly lines or flight lines, you will have something like that. No. Okay. Go to that floor plan. In the top level, in the top one, go to that floor plan. Come down. This is the floor plan toolbox. We'll come to this later. you will have something called as flight line. Go to view or edit. So you can enable or disable the flight lines. Set
Flight line congestion. Set flight light congest color.
no. Go to edit then. One sec.
என்ன பண்ண இந்த மாதிரி பண்ணாக்க இப்ப நம்மள முடி ஒரு கெஸ்ட் டூட்டி பண்ணிட்டு அவங்க மூலமா கார்ல ஏசி எனக்கு எனக்கு அப்படி நீ எடுத்து வெறும் ஆடி வந்து அது மட்டும் ஓட்டா இன்னொரு லைக் அவனுக்கு இது அப்புறம் இல்ல அம்மாவுக்கு இது வேற சொல்லிட்டாங்க அப்படின்ட்டு இப்போ இன்னைக்கு என்ன கூட்டிட்டு போனாங்களா நான் சொன்னேன் சாதாரண சொல்லு சும்மா நாளைக்கு உடம்பு அவங்க வந்தாலும் சும்மா வெறும் இங்கே இருந்து கடுமையாவே வந்து ஐ திங்க் 8 மணி தான் இன்னும் போயிருக்கேன்டா அவனுக்கு ஃபுல்டே அவனுக்கு வந்ததே இன்னும் 4:30 தான் பிக்கப்பே இருக்குது 4:30 பிக்கப் அது என்ன சும்மா நாடகம் ஆடுறாங்க அவங்க வேற சொன்னா நான் வந்து என்ன எப்போ பார்த்தாலும் சொல்றாரு ஏதாவது ஒரு கூட்டி கொடுத்தா ஆக்சுவலி நான் நோட் வச்சுருக்கேன் ஏன்னா மாட்டாங்க நான் சொல்லுங்களா இருந்து தீர்த்து மட்டும் எனக்கு அவர் சந்திப்பு வந்து I this is the case when I have to tell somebody.
In the view, go to set preference. In this flight line, flight line, flight line width 1. Don't show flight line to inside my map lines. Okay, everything is enabled. So logic levels. Show connection only between options. Click on that to your left. Apply. Okay. Yeah, that also you can enable. We'll check. Okay. Now click on the any one macro. You're not seeing any flight lines. No, this is to move. To select, you have to go back and click on the option next to that move. Okay, again go to set preference view, that option, and enable everything in under flight line tab. Don't show flight lines inside macro. Do different color. No. To click on the macro again, you have to go to that click option and then click on the macro. No, the left one, left to that flower thing. Yeah, click on that. And then come and click the macro. For this big blue one alone, we were getting flight lines, right?
Yeah, for the ones which is on the
Okay.
here, right? We get this. We can see this. For this, it used to come actually. I don't know why.
I mean, for
Even
now
this.
now we are not getting. Okay, 1 minute. I'll take control.
Yes, yes. Yeah, it's very slow, but yeah, you'll have to bear with it.
Yes. Yes.
Uh, uh, I want to run some Dana, yeah, but Dana, Ita, Dana Masala, Ita Sama, India, like Dana Masala, now really time for the not stop. Because people would have something like you know, working at a bottom of the not the what expensive feeling. I was for you got a line of photo.
So yeah, now we got the. This is selecting everything. Okay, you right click and select on that select instance nets. I'll
Christina,
Yes.
I think I got lost. I don't know how to color the blocks, and I don't know how to move it inside
Can you
the
share
big.
your screen?
Yeah, I can. What? Entire screen. I think I cannot share. Somebody is.
So who's sharing? Lakshmi, Deepu, you're sharing, right?
Yeah, I'm sharing. Yeah.
Can you stop sharing? Marvin wants to share.
My share is now. Is my screen available? Visible to you?
Yeah.
Now, now I'm here. I don't know if you can see it. This big block. What do we call this?
This is the
biggest.
core area
Okay, and the small blocks are the.
or the macros.
So I am going to place these macros inside this big box, right?
Correct.
But I cannot move it. I don't know even how to color it blue. I did not follow the instruction.
Okay. So on the top of your Innovus GUI,
Yes.
in the second row, towards the right side, you can see keep coming to the right.
This
Above
somewhere
that,
here.
above that, keep coming to the right slowly. Above that,
Above.
above that, yeah. Keep coming to the left.
To the left.
So can you see one hierarchy kind of icon? Left,
This one.
still left, left.
This one.
Design browser. Click on this. Inside this only, you're going to color your macros depending on the hierarchy. All right.
Okay. And it pop up a window called
Yeah. So
Design
can you
Browser.
see? Correct. So this is your design browser. Can you see modules?
Modules, yes.
Yeah. Click on that.
Yeah.
Click on the core. So there are two main modules:
Yes.
core instance and ring instance. Click on core instance. That
Or
plus
in
icon.
core and ring. Okay.
Yeah. Click on
Yes.
that. Modules in that. So modules means your macros. All right.
Okay.
Oh, click on that.
But
That plus icon.
yeah, it did not respond. Yeah.
It will. It will.
Yeah.
So click on that KS core again.
Yes, core.
There are two KS core. Yeah. Click on that.
Then
Up to the modules again.
modules again.
Click on that. Expand it.
Now it has one.
Right click. I mean, expand that AMBA DSP.
DSP1. And right, I right must.
Yes. So can you see if I mean, right click? I mean, expand them. Expand that AMB DSP.
Expand. Yeah.
Modules.
Modules again.
Yes. So these are your macros. M core 0, RAM 2P. So right click on each of the module and highlight it.
Means
You don't have
expand.
to expand it. It will keep expanding and show all the standard cells connected to it. We don't
So
need that right.
I right
Go to
click it,
highlight. Yeah, highlight.
highlight, and whatever color, blue.
Right color. Whichever color you want, you can
Yeah.
color them.
All of them.
Yeah. Similarly, yeah. One by one.
Krishna, I need to ask one thing.
Hmm.
The same practice we have to follow in the practical, right?
Yeah.
In the industry.
Yes.
How many
Yeah.
modules should be there? Like here we are seeing 3 to 4. How many
Oh, that
modules should be there?
depends on the. You can see, I mean, 500, 600 macros also, you
So,
can see
so we have to
five,
highlight
six
one by one,
macros. There
500
will
times.
be an option called color by hierarchy for an entire for all the macros. Some specific scripts will be there, so you can use that, and you can, I mean, like one push button option where you can color all the macros at one shot.
Okay, okay. In the industry, so they have write some script, right?
Here also you will have an option called color by hierarchy. So I don't know which version of Innovus is this one. So that's why I am asking all of you to color them one by one.
Okay, thank you.
Should I close this, Christina?
Close that. Close that. Yeah.
Okay. Now the macros are colored blue.
Yes.
Now
Now
then I
come to
have,
the KS
yeah,
logic, the other big module.
yeah. Uh, click it or what?
KS logic, the one more bigger module
The big
below that ROM AMBA wrapper. I'm talking about the contents in the design browser now.
oh, I didn't get it. Is it the one? This one?
Yes, yes.
And what should I do?
Come to the design browser, the right side window. Few macros are
Design.
not colored yet.
Okay. Go
I
back to
mean, you can
design.
give different colors. Don't give the same color. Then you'll not be able to differentiate. Now for this, like come to the design browser, right side.
Right side, yes.
So there are M Core 0, RAM 2P78, RAM 2P2K. So like that, there are 5 modules, right? Give one color for each, not the same blue.
Okay. Very slow. Anyway, and after that, I want to move the the macros inside the I forgot the name. This big one. What again? The name of this one? What do we call it?
So which
What do
one?
we call again this big?
This is the
big
core area. Core area.
core area? Okay. I want to move the module
Macros to the core.
into the core. And should I close this design browser?
Yeah, you can. You can. I mean, still there are still few macros which are not colored, right? The bigger one, 2 macros they are not colored. So click on them and color them in the design browser.
Krishna, what about the left side? There is a core instance, right? What is that actually? So we need to bring it inside, or how it
So
is?
that is just the module which shows
Module
what macros belong to it. So we don't have to bring them inside. It's
inside.
just
Oh, okay, okay.
no, you don't have to worry about that. Only the macros.
Only macros. Okay.
Yeah.
Like, how can I select that that module? The tall.
See for KS Logic 1, there is one more bigger module below that. KS Logic 1. Can you see that?
Yeah,
Right
this
below it.
one.
Expand it.
Expand it.
Okay, there are no macros in that. Okay, and then come to ring instance below that. See, wherever you see modules, those are macros, all right? So those are
Okay.
the ones that we want to color now. Click on that. Okay, so there are no modules.
No.
Then module 1.
Can I right click it to bring its property?
Yes. Yeah. Close this design browser. Right click the macro. See if you have color by hierarchy option there itself. Close.
Okay, and
I think yeah. Right click that. Do you have an option?
it will bring the design browser back. This one.
Again.
Shall I
Yeah.
try it?
Now expand it.
Yeah, it's so many.
So these are the no. These are just the ABHSO core instance. No, not this. So this talks about all the other nets cells that are connected to this big macro. So close
Okay.
it. 1 minute, I'll take control.
Okay, how to do that?
So I think you have to give your control to me. Deepu, how did you do it? I was getting this take control option when you were sharing.
I think he can go and click on give control. If you go to the topmost link, right? If you go to the topmost, you can give control.
Give control. Where is that?
Yeah, more. Left.
Left.
More. There's more, right? More.
More left.
No. More. There's a button called more. If you see React, View, and more.
Okay. Then
Well, Deepu, he connected through the browser, I guess. It's not a
Browser,
Teams app.
okay.
Yeah.
In browser, I don't know if you will be able to give that. You need to install the tool. I think tool has the option.
okay, I don't know how to install that anyway.
Or if you have the if you are the host, I think you can ask for the control.
Okay. Me, right? So even I don't have record and transcribe meeting info, video settings. This is all I have.
Let me share my screen.
I'll go stop sharing. Okay.
Yeah, see here, I think automatically when you start sharing, it's a separate window that is going to come. Maybe you need, I think maybe it is part of the pop-up. You need to enable your pop-up. Maybe it might be. In my case, I can give control and once you share, that window is going to come. Once you share, that window will be activated.
Yeah, contentious. That.
Is anybody else trying floor plan?
Well, Krishna, I'm getting an error. I'll show you. See, this is an error which I'm getting. Loading a file failed and has aborted.
Okay. Yes, maximize the screen and read that error. Error found while processing left file. The layer metal M3 reference to pin into it 347 macro is not found in the database layer. Let's be defined the left technology layer. Give me reference from the macro. Review the left file specified in the left file to see error found when processing. Okay, so there are some definitions missing in the left file.
Yeah,
No
I think
technology.
I can copy from the other users and I can try, right?
Which one?
I mean, the files itself is causing an issue, right? So I can
So
copy
yeah,
from the
there are
other
some.
users.
No, still they will also have the same errors in their left files.
Oh, is it?
Now, yes. I mean, everybody's having the same left files, right? So
Then why
some
it is not
definition.
loading the design?
What design it is not loading?
I mean, here.
Oh, you are Lakshmi Prasad. Okay. I
Correct,
thought
yeah.
Deepu he was talking.
No,
All right. Okay.
no.
Okay. So that's why I was wondering, like you were doing macro placement. Now what happened? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So loading left.
I think Deepu is not facing this issue, I guess. Correct me if I'm wrong,
Yes.
Deepu.
He didn't face this issue. Did you
Yeah,
click on that physical view? See if the macros, if you are still able to load the macros, because
Physical
errors
view
in
here.
left.
Here, you mean to say?
Go to the top, that third row of icons, right side,
Third side.
below
Okay.
that, below, right side, keep coming right. That is the physical.
This one?
Floor plan view. Click on that.
Okay.
You're not getting, then the physical view, try that.
This one?
Not that is amoeba view. Next one.
Next
To
one.
the right, physical view.
No.
Click on F, fit to screen.
No, it is not loading at all. I guess I think Deepu is not facing these errors. So I think I need to copy.
Are you having two innovers? Go to the next tab, big user. There are two tabs. Can you go to that?
No. Just I'm using the paths purpose. I just kept it this. That's the
You're
center.
just seeing it. Okay. So exit out of innovers and try again. If not, then you can.
So this is the third time I'm getting the same errors. I think.
First, see, so there is that removing the first left file. So are you including that left file? The
Yeah,
one
I
that
have
he did
included
not,
all the
that he
files.
told
I'll
not
show
to.
you. I'll show you in a moment.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
I'm using BIC user 2. I think Deepu is using BIC user 3. Yeah. So maybe the database is corrupted, I guess.
Try again, like from the top.
Yeah, sure. I'll show you.
Okay.
PIC user 2 and then Innovus rack, floor plan, rack, data, and then entity, right? Only one only, right? One module only, right? Here?
Yeah, I think one only.
Yes, only
Yeah,
one.
entity.v I have selected. And then left files. Going back to that. BIC user 2. What's that?
Accept faster. Yeah.
Sorry.
You click on down arrow, there you will get innermost rack to directly, Lakshmi.
Yeah, by mistake I have closed it. So VDD VSS. Click OK. So it is showing done. No, not getting. So it is throwing some errors actually. So these errors, layer poly not defined error. So do anybody is facing in the terminal like these kind of errors? Hello.
Is anybody else facing the same error? Now, take a screenshot of it and put it in the group. We'll see if anybody else is facing
Yeah, sure.
this error thing.
Yeah, one more issue I'm facing is Christina, like this machine is automatically releasing it. Every 5 minutes it's releasing the machine.
But he told that he will fix it. So that is some issue from the tool manager side. So he told he will fix it today. If not, you just take a screenshot of it and share it in the group. Then he will fix it. Like
Yeah,
every
for
5-10
even
minutes,
for
once it
every
keeps
minutes,
exiting,
yeah,
right?
every 5 minutes it's releasing automatically. Even though if you're working on it, also it's releasing.
Yeah, that happens. Like 5 minutes once, 10 minutes once, it is getting released automatically. So that also you
Yeah,
mentioned in the group. He will fix
yeah,
it.
yeah, sure. Yeah, sure. Thank you.
I think can I do one experiment, Christina? So like, can I copy from the user 3?
Sorry,
User 3
what were you saying?
database. Can I use the user 3 database by
You
user 3?
can.
Yeah.
User 3, who is using? Deepu is using.
Deepu is using.
Yeah, then maybe once he logs out, then you can get
Yeah.
his credentials and try once. This is just for us to get familiarized with the tool, right? So you
Right.
can use it.
So I'll use it.
Yeah, you can.
Oh, unreadable. Okay. We cannot use the Pfizer 3. Okay. I think we do not have a permissions, Christian. No, unreadable.
He released it, Deepu released it.
No,
Oh,
no,
you
no.
try. Okay, yeah, try something. It's okay.
No, basically, we do not have a readable, actually. We cannot copy it. Other users. Maybe I'll try with other
So you have
user.
to go to
I'll
the
release the mission and I'll try
okay.
to use other user.
Yeah, okay.
I think Danish is using without this Bharat IC application. Hello, Danish.
What?
Danish is using without user panel access, I guess.
Which means?
Which means if you are using this tool management tool, that is a Bharat IC tool management system, right?
Hmm.
So whoever is using the users, we can able to see, right? So I think Danish without using this Bharat IC tool, he's using it, I guess.
Oh, like then how is he getting the tool access then? If he is
Uh,
not using tool manager?
No, Lakshmi, I
I
am
mean
using panel only.
panel, but see
Yes.
here in the user panel, it is showing Prasad. I'll display my screen. I'll
Oh,
share my screen.
Still, I have registered myself as a Bharat IC user as a 6.
So yeah, that's what I mean. See here, it is showing there is a BIC user 6 is assigned to Prasad. I think you are using directly like remote desktop.
Okay.
Can you share your screen once?
Yeah, I'm using the browser. I'm not able to share. Uh, okay, wait. Hello?
Yes. You are audible to us.
Yeah. I have just directly launched from here, BC user 6, and then
No, you are.
okay.
We are unable to see your screen.
Are you now?
Yeah, I am able to see now. Can
Yeah.
you share BIC user once?
Yeah.
Sorry, can you display your tool?
Is it fine, na, Deepo? Here I have hello. Machine name is 6 and the username is Danish 6. Is it fine, na?
Which application you're using? So we are unable to
Yeah.
see Danish.
No, you need to share the screen. I think
Yeah,
you're
I'm
sharing a
sharing
window.
it.
You're sharing a window, I think.
So you can share the screen, not window. See, 1 minute. It's already assigned to Prasad. I have shown you, right? So how it is showing you
Why it's showing available? That's why.
available? BIC user 2 have released it. There is some bug in this, I guess. Oh, okay. Now it is showing C, Prasad.
Okay. Okay, refresh we have to do every time.
Yeah, okay, good.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
So we will continue in tomorrow's session, the same macro. So whoever, didn't share the screen today, you can share your screens tomorrow and then we can share.
Okay, Christina, thank you very much.
Thank you. Bye.
Yeah, thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Hello? 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 Hello?